peachstools.com.
The first little snippet I've got for you guys is me using a commercial little circle cutter, you know, the ones that you can buy on Amazon or whatever. They're about 50 odd bucks.
I think you're supposed to drill it, but I'll just blow a hole in there and see what happens. Just like that. Well, it's pretty good as far as I'm concerned.
So that circle cutter worked alright. That was the first time I'd ever used it, so it can't be that bloody bad if an idiot like me can use it like that the first time round. You know, it's got to be hope for guys like you out there. Anyway guys, the next one is when I tried to do it on the drill. I had my cordless drill and I was trying to cut circles on the drill. So check out this little snippet and see what you think of this one. And now what we're going to do is we're going to stick it in the drill. What I'll do now is I'll just tighten it in the chuck. Make sure it's tight, like that. What you want to do guys is get your ear clamped like that. And most of them look like this. What you need to do is put it here. So that it's not grabbing it tight, so it's just hanging on there like this. So anyway, let's get into it. I reckon guys, hey? Is that awesome or what? You're limited to circles about this big. You can only do quite small circles and there's sparks and shit flying everywhere and it got quite horrible really in the end. But if you had a lot of these to make, it would definitely make it a hell of a lot quicker just using that little tip. Now the next little video I got for you to look at guys was me making a little bolt hole cutter like this. Really easy to make. Have a look at a quick snippet and tell me what you think about that one guys. Awesome, good little tool. You get better and better at it all the time. It takes you 5 minutes to make the bloody thing and it saves you trying to do it freehand. Look at that. Getting better all the time. Another one. Beautiful. Another one. Not too bad. So that worked quite well guys, but the only disadvantage with this is that you're limited to the size of holes that you can cut, you know. Anyway guys, that's the little video for the day. Same as usual, you like my videos, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment, come say good day at peachstools.com. I'll put links to all these videos in the description so you can go and have a look at the full video if you want. Anyway guys, see you later.
peachstools.com.